Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Pisces for the month of July, August. So it's going to be applicable for both the months. Please do check your placements for your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn. And let's just get into the reading. The first card that I have for you is the Six of Thames, which is the Six of Swords. This is the card of healing. You're not physically healing, but you are mentally healing yourself because swords represent your thinking capabilities, your the way you perceive your perspective towards life. So that is what is healing. And number six is the number of Venus, and Venus is all about healing. Venus is all about how you take care of things and how you manage things. So moving forward, you guys are on the path to healing. So something may have happened in the past, and right now you are moving towards a brighter or at least a more optimistic outlook towards the entire situation. Another thing that could be important for you is that you guys could also be traveling. This is not for everyone, but for a very few of you. The next card that I have for you is the Page of Thames. Now, Page of Thames is a card where you're thinking a lot, you're spending a lot of time thinking, and for many of you, this is a change in the way you look at the entire situation. So, perspective wise, you're becoming more open. You are looking at uh, different opportunities than the one you are used to. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Wands. Two of Wands is a card of making decisions. It's a card of making choices. Some of you may have two choices, and maybe you are just thinking about whether you should make the choice or not, or what you should do about it. But definitely, there is a card of travel involved. So you guys have to make a choice. Either it could be a choice between two sorts of careers, two sorts of jobs, two sorts of things that you want to do, but something related. The next card that I have for you, my lovely Pisces, is Queen of Chalices. So very strong water energy. And then the thing is, when you have strong water energy, you should also know how to utilize this water energy to manifest, because Pisces by default are very good manifestors. Why? Because you're ruled by the water sign, and water is programmable. You might be feeling very emotional about the entire situation. You might feel like you are actually embodying the qualities of a person who wants to do a lot, but things are not in their control because water flows very quickly. Water does not stay, and that is exactly what is happening with your life. Maybe you want a lot of things, but you're unable to hold those things for a very long time. The next card I have for you is the Ten of Themes. So Ten of Themes energy here tells me that you've kind of put yourself away from a lot of people. Maybe you're not socializing enough. And also because of COVID, things have changed. The way people are working or networking has changed. So this card is also telling me that you're just waiting for a miracle to happen because things have been so hard. You have touched this point where you're just like, I'm going to sit alone, I'm going to meditate, and I'm going to think about it. And for some of you, it does feel like you're not letting a lot of people in, so a lot of people may not know about what is happening in your life or what's going on in your mind. Ten of Themes also tells me that an ending is about to happen. Because an ending is about to happen, that means you have a lovely beginning that will soon come into your life, but you have to make the right decisions. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is a very strong card that suggests that you guys are going to figure it all out. Your family is going to live the same way as you usually live. There is going to be happiness, there is going to be abundance. But what this requires is some choices are made, and you really control your emotions. You control your negative mindset. Despite being already on the path to healing, you guys have the power to manifest. Use the night time to manifest, or to repeat your affirmations. The next card that I have for you is the Five of Pentacles. Now, Five of Pentacles is a card where there's going to be some kind of loneliness. It's part of life, and you are going to face some kind of loneliness. There is going to be this energy where you feel that financially things are not going very well. I'm not seeing you making choices, but you have an option to make choice. So if you make a choice, possibly the outlook is going to change. But if choices are not made and if you keep continuing, I see you are happy. I see you have choices to make. But just these cards are a little, they're like the energy is really strong at the moment. Now, with the Five of Pentacles, you're going to spend some time alone. You're going to feel like there's nobody to help. But the thing is, the help is right there. It's right there. The warmth that you are seeking, the love, the shelter that you are seeking, or the security that you are seeking is right there. All you have to do is turn around and go towards it yourself. That's why I said for you, choices are very important. The next card is Ace of Things. That means you are going to you are definitely going to make a choice, and it's going to be a mental choice. Many of you may start doing something related to data, related to information, related to communication, related to um, writing. All these things do look very very prominent in your reading. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Wands. So Three of Wands is a card where you finally have to make a choice. A lot of times this is a card which tells that you will need to travel. It may not happen right now, but it is there is a very strong possibility that you are going to travel within the next 6 months, within the next 3 to 6 months because of work. What you do require right now is, I feel like the travel card kept popping up in your reading, and the idea is to tell you that when you travel, you will activate your third house. And when your third house gets activated, a lot of things that you have to initiate in life are going to get activated. Third card is also the card of, it's also the house of writing. So that's why I said writing is also important for you guys. Let's see from the Monology deck what sort of messages what sort of messages I have for you. The first card that I have for you is step out of your comfort zone. Exactly what I was telling. Like, you have a choice to make. You have to stop taking all these U-turns that you keep taking. Also, North Node represents Rahu. So energy of Rahu is very, very strong. You may have an illusion about yourself that you are amazing, that you can do a lot of amazing things. But remember, it is an illusion. Rahu also represents things related to technology. I'm not saying you are going to be doing coding, but something related to tech could also be important. I do feel like this file is actually looking for a job at the moment. Like, they're looking to make money, they're looking for a career, and they don't have anything solid right now. So make sure you focus on those areas that I've told you. The next card that I have for you is don't let your past hold you back. That is South Node. So you have both the North Node and you have the South Node. Again, you keep going back to the past. You keep thinking that whatever has worked in the past is going to work again this time. Well, the world has changed and it is not going to work out. So if you have a skill, if you have previously uh, worked on a skill, well, the thing is, you're sorry to say, but your skills are outdated now. What you need to do is you need to focus on the new things that come in. Remember when I said there was no coding with North Node? That's because Ketu represents coding. You might plan to venture into things where you can code. You might plan to go into more tech related things, or things where you have to either like a spiritual leader, like a coach, or with Ketu it's more about things that have a flow. So one after the other. So administration would be a great idea for you. Process improvement, all those things would be amazing in terms of career choices. So do give them a thought and do let me know if this reading resonates, and I am going to speak to you guys next month.